Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the PMV20 copy Dolphin Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the copy Dolphin Vibrator itself. And this really is a colourful addition to your collection. This Dolphin Vibrator features 3 powerful motors, 12 rotation settings and 13 vibration settings. It's also made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and has a slightly flexible clitoral stimulator just here in the shape of a dolphin. So it's a very fun, cheerful design. It's also got a round handle here, so gripping is easy and very easy to handle as well. It's very simple and easy to use. To turn on, press and hold down on the bottom button and it's on. To change the vibration settings, click on the top button. To change the rotation, click on the middle button. They can also be acted independently of one another. For example, to turn off the vibrations, press and hold on the top button, and then it's just the rotation remaining. To turn off, press and hold on the bottom button, and it's now off. You can use this to stimulate your G-spot and clitoris at the same time and enjoy the fantastic sensation of the rotating function. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply pop it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the Dolphin Vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the PMV20 copy Dolphin Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.